singing and dancing. Can you tell which are the action words in this sentence? Hi, you're watching SavvyShweta, and in today's video we will learn how to form simple sentences using verbs. Let's do a quick recap of what we did in the last video. These are the sentences that we will learn in today's video. In previous video, I showed you this picture and asked you what he is doing. Well, the answer is he is laughing. And do you know, laughing is a verb, an action word. Words can be divided broadly into 4 categories.
Let's understand each of these categories one by one. All the words that involve physical movement come in this category, like running, talking, writing. All the actions with no physical movement come in this category, like thinking, believing, remembering, etc. Words like exist, appear are also verbs. Words that express feelings like love, hate, anger are also verbs.
Now we will try to understand how the verb changes for singular noun to a plural noun. A verb must agree with its subject in number. A singular noun requires a singular verb. A plural noun requires a plural verb. Let's understand this through this example.
Singular verb form for jump will be jumps. For walk, it will be walks. And for write, it will be writes. Singular verb is used for he, she, it, or for name of any person or animal. So he jumps, she jumps, it jumps, Divya jumps. Plural verb is used with I, you, we, and they. So it will be I jump, you jump, we jump, they jump.
A cat jumps, a man walks, a girl writes.
Plural verb is a base form of verb and it can be used with any plural noun. So cats jump, men walk, girls write.
Now let's make a simple sentence using an article, a noun, a singular noun in fact, and a verb.
A boy runs. A dog barks. A girl speaks.
Now let's see how the sentence changes if we use a plural noun.
With plural noun, plural form of verb comes, which is a base form of verb. There is no s or es added at the end of such verbs.
Now let's see how the verb changes if the action was done in the past.
Singular verb changes its form in past tense. For example, runs become ran, barks become barked, speaks become spoke. Article A tells that the noun is singular and the verb form changes in past tense. Now the sentence will be like this. A boy ran, a dog barked, a girl spoke. With plural noun, the sentence in past tense will be like this. Boys ran, dogs barked, girls spoke.
Now let's try to form a sentence using more than one noun.
Before forming a sentence, let's understand how the verb form will change from present tense to past tense. Chase will become chased, sing will become sang, and eat will become ate. These sentences are in present tense and they have more than one noun. Like in first sentence, the cat chases a mouse, cat and mouse both are noun. And verb chases is the singular form of verb and which is used with the singular noun cat. Similarly, in the next sentence, the man sings a song. There are 2 nouns, man and song, and sings is used for the singular noun man here. In the third sentence, the child breaks a jar. Here, you can see the verb form breaks, which is used for singular noun child. All these sentences are in past tense. In the first sentence, chases has become chased. In the second sentence, sings has become sang. In the last sentence, breaks has become broke.
We have learned a lot. Now it's time for us to practice what we have learned.
There is a list of articles, nouns, and verbs. You have to form basic sentences in the present tense with these words. If your answers are any different from these sentences, then please write in the comment section.
Coming back to the question I asked you in the beginning. I asked you, which are the action words in this sentence? And the answer is singing and dancing. If you want to understand why we are using dancing and singing in the sentence, then you have to watch my next video. You will get there, but only if you keep going. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Till then, keep learning and keep smiling. Have a great day.